Right here, Dave.
Let's start the video with the footage of Ukrainian 24th Mechanized Brigade, which is firing mortars at Russian positions. Russians flee. A shooting battle is going on near Nova Kakhovka. Russian armed forces, presumably, repulse an attempted landing by the Ukrainian armed forces. This was reported by the correspondent of Izvestia, Emil Timoshev. Shooting is also heard in Tavrisk and Sozny. Intense shelling has been going on for half an hour. The sounds of an explosion. Everything is heard from the coast. But we are on the spot. There are no reasons for panic. The coast is fortified. The guys are holding their positions, said an employee of the new Kakhovka military administration with the call sign Typhoon. But the notion of Ukrainian attack on Nova Kakhovka is interesting, since this is major Russian transport and logistic hub in Kherson region and the first major city on the other side on Dnipro River. I mean, Putin blew up a Kakhovka dam to prevent this, so the attack is very important news regarding the Ukrainian offensive. Yesterday, Ukrainian forces captured an important height near the town of Bakhmut. Now the whole city is visible and the Russians are in good sight. It seems Russian didn't think good about this, though.
Тимчасово окупований Бахмут, місто Герой. Ось вона, ювілейна. Ось вона, дорога життя.
Have in mind only one thing. Ukraine has so far engaged only 3 out of 12 brigades in the counteroffensive. The decisive battle is yet to come. Another Russian BMP getting nuked by a small FPV kamikaze drone. Either the Ukrainians found their weak spot, or they are putting more serious explosives on them. The high-quality plate in the body armor stopped the 762.54 bullet and saved the life of Ukrainian soldier. And here's the result. Lloyd Austin about destroyed Ukrainian tanks.
I think the Russians have shown us that same 5 vehicles about 1,000 times from 10 different angles. But quite frankly, the Ukrainians still have a lot of combat capability, combat power.
Russian trophy Chevrons. Their previous owners apparently don't need them anymore. Ukrainian soldier meets and rescues a fox that stuck its head in a plastic bottle. Look at the thank you note at the end. This is not from Ukraine, but is connected to the Russian influence in the region. In the morning, Azerbaijani soldiers tried to cross the Lachin corridor to place an Azerbaijani flag on the sovereign territory of Armenia. As they crossed the Hakkari Bridge, they were accompanied by Russian soldiers. As soon as they were on the other side, Armenian soldiers opened fire. Armenia, by the way, is a member of Russian Defense Alliance, but it looks like that they only can wipe their ass with that membership. And let's end with some military porn. Footage of 4 USAF F-22 Raptors at Muwafaq Salti Air Base in Jordan. The jets were deployed to the region on June 9th, in the wake of increasingly unsafe and unprofessional behavior by Russian aircraft in the region.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.